Mafia saban to aketu mu a. Aya na ye backdate na ye tua arrears. Anamwa friend back pay. It is a aketu na wate so mpacho kofa back pay ne bra. Anamwa sa wate so. Na cha said de wo gi sesi a no na ni kwan sa wo gi. I don't want to say Akachana Coco board and penny for Gisesiano, Nanny Quansa Moji. It is a when you had just asked cannot dear. Watching more than 1 year dear. Dear would you that I know, Koya calculation, Nafabra. Because first lady say walk room her. Or may you may do, baby, you see a church, Sikabia, first lady's office. Yeah, my first lady's in the Sikane by, and I'm what I could find time. Return the money. We are politician. We are appointee. Now we take a decision. I are doing. Koko farmers bu afunti. Esa wato ukwato aketu aso. Ti say asam na ma. Kaketwan ka beto so. This is a very nice way of telling the cocoa farmer you were a fool. I am Munjai Sanya man. When a moya na me kakasa, but hey, Montia say, we yes, who catch a cocoa farmers why kwasia. E to the Debbie Ajo Ubu ere. Ubu abani we no soon and Akoto dross for Frabreno. It is about Pedros Muna Jo Bunansa. I mean, what kind of hey. What did be a pamon quadani school fees better as a father, as someone who say, me a jack, me was scared to me my school fees. As I would be kind of Kwaku school fees. Sanamun some would say, I can be a year, and then June 2025 wanted so. Mafia, Kojo, may cancel with producer me that so bet me year so. Mahama nye careful. Department and agencies the best send by no. Say minister say shut down and shut down so. But department and agencies now Mahama Bawumia. What are they doing? When him say Abraham say what share cocoa board on. Ade ama cocoa board wo ye din obi ehun se bibia ekoso bia no Mahama decision. Any agric minister decision. It is our realize here 2024 before the elections agric minister Erikopoku and na oka cocoa wansem. A son said, or no, now Kako was 70 no. Otchere Swasi and President can say, so I'm about Coco no, one bet to boom, Amawon. And indeed, NDC buy no, Joma cast on the Baba Cocoa farmers, no one de Mawon. And the farmers need a any cocoa board decision. Because NDC for who are platforms so that run have been come. But what you do? Oh, Net2 TV. Why? Eti president be any swadi hunu. Say dane mam. Na say ni swadi hunu no eso chen wa. Ese say wo president no ko ka chen say, Your Excellency, this your vision is a good one. But respectfully, do you know one or two people who can help me to implement your vision? Oh baby, I mean one. So man penny di adwuma hye wonsa. na mampani no n'ani so ade hunu no wo baabi odi adwuma na hye wonsa no se wa wotena se na wo dwene ho na ebro so a memfa party communicators nko ho because ebeje gon entwetwe sika ma party communicators mpacho men kan sesa na ran ya yo men kan sem mesramo ebeje gon if you say president vision who kura wakosuku ayabo udi nsa bedano no went to the party communicator enti wo ko president ho na wako ka kire no hwe papa yi papa mi refi di obaye director general of Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority Akufo Addo or that time no or the 600 million and a year in the kitchen cabinet about mi ref yi mo do bi when him saw ya ade bi na mani soy pa that times no na I don't know yet one friend saying who na mo buy habo ni mu no Akufo time no mo buy me refuel mu din na papa kakraka bi and da no. And the guy went straight to Kojo Kyeremanteng no catch and say, Akwa, chief of staff, Adiana Ebano. O say, Ben Owusu, JB Nyamin Shirao. Ben Owusu call Edo Kojo Kyeremanteng no catch and say, Chief, Adiana Makaini na me sha Adiana say the city na. Aju unyanko for Bawumia. And that time, you know, if you remember, now you're the Minister of Ports, Railways, and Port Harbours and Railways. It's the next reshuffle that Akufo you know, and we create a whole ministry, Emma Ports, Harbours and Railways, and other Professor Christopher Aremeyaw Akoto, so that they can put together some people to help Ben Owusu. And indeed, they helped Ben Owusu. It is a precedent today. Adwuma bi hye won sana se so chenwa. Ya hobrase na kwa no ka chen se akra ade no ebro me so ba me gidi ye se wadwe mu no woni mu nkrofa betimi ya boa me mu wotimi aye na president ma unipa na wo mo a Koko board achievement onya aye nyina from January 2025 ebesi nanse o masemba ye nan Mahama onu ni trim adwen owo ema koko farmers ena ma ni na eyedin time na what talk koko no wie based on precedent the promise no na ebeton koko board for ankasa sa fe de mo amunya adwuma no na wontimi nye because mafia sa wo ye projection what was say wo say time na koko ne bo no kosoro na kwani bia de sika kodwom odidi kodwom a onya sika bebre di ba fie no esa wotlas di na odwene huna hunu se number 1 wo koko ni bi dada no wo bebo ho ban cause koko ni bo no ekosoro number 2 esa wo se wo ni koko ni bi kura wo nya obedua bi number 3 esa wo se wo de wo koko kan no wo de fa nwuram ho Ekwa Ivory Coast, any Togo, any Nkafo no one fan kobium. Enti a year so a koko no ebedoso. Enti as a way plan. We are projection. Any question we are reactive. As a we are proactive. Now we have some projections ni na to. Mafia necessary koko board for started discussion no. Somewhere in September 2025, say cocoa prices never from because so share drop now. Started here in October, and every year be a cocoa bebe drop biano. The month bosumia wu friso na wo ba bosumia beba from no. Started you can tell the signs because when they call world marketer, then you tree na ya asem. What they call one person mu tree na so mo twetwe mo ho kakra. It's a sign, it's a signal. Say cocoa board beba form. Are we saying say cocoa board members nina pass you obi ehu sign no mafia I am a share cocoa board manager say wo sisi ana na ye mesre na do tamuni masemi esi ye kan ofi ha ye cheme cocoa ho ye cheme o yes come santi bi ni antiama wo mi enu na di mi ka bai ya dem ko ta cantonment police station National security for bit na kam musa o me te kam na anti bi ni antiama be pake na me so me te national security car ni I didn't tell a cocoa. So, do you know what happened? Mafia, cocoa board koje $612 million. Sir, cocoa na cocoa akatia besiso. Cocoa wenya pepun, cocoa wenya malaria, cocoa wenya akate, cocoa wenya den. Omo kotwa cocoa ni na to agu. Na omo dua no foforo e dia ma farmers no. E na omo koje $612 million. So I'm about to 840,000 hectares of cocoa. No more Diana for 840,000 hectares of cocoa. 600 over $600 million. 612. Yan first saw the try 800,000 cry. It is a we year 800,000. 612 divided by 2 is saying. Mas here, me mas teacher wuntem. Okay? Mafia 612 divided by 2. 306 million US dollars. Winning. Yes, here. Obafia, sir, 800,000 hectares now cocoa farmers na say cocoa board say wakwaje $612 million no the cocoa na guru otwa only 40,000 hectares ayebo ahiedu asem na meke MPP time Akufo Addo time yen otwa just 40,000 hectares 40,000 hectares no we mu dua 17,000 hectares yake na so manua meanwhile won kwaje $306 million edi won kwaje sikani di it is a etie for be kaya NDC for launch wo manifesto wo wini ba anamwa wo launch wo manifesto no wini ba wie no ade che ye no hwan na ba ha hwan na kai ade che ye no NDC ni be na ba show no so Kwana kai. Eya Erike Opoku. Ena betna ha. Ena obetre ye a car cocoa board. Eni sa de mani na akoso e wo cocoa sector. Wa ba beto a CEO of cocoa board. Wa wo say predecessor wa get $306 million or the akwa 17,000 hectares. Me kind me yet shebe yet me try pick up e wo cantonment police stations anti bi be park here anti am so cho now e frame se nuama me te kan me to what me hu yan se kan ni petrol no petrol gauge no ani aso e na me ya me ka che national security no to front order na mpese ka dan de na mpese me yi me tie na me de so no call me chi ho na me kire ni yan se ketewa bi watiwa sa ukutatuo. By the time I was hey. Or to can many team what that. I mean, you know. So, Petro no near so. I say, can't make a minimum say, as I did my best, as I never so crown. I abandoned never trouble Mahama. On the national security, Akufo Addo sponsor my chimney. Okay, I'm abandoned never trouble Mahama. Me come to say I no tira na wada no ho me te ka dem say akware se siko oh yes me santi bi na antema me tira anti bi come that was the very first time I know dem bedroom ani adam koy you dem be say adwam ye twa obi ama why yes, my cocoa board as Randy, who to say issue we One kasa around the Abbey. What started say wo ka ho asem? Who knows what happened? Twon no jaika. Wo jaika. Issue eba no akofa sa asem kro na ba. Nti say issue no report ma national security. Iyoko. NIB. No way to show no what chini party enyi. Wa ketu ante so no nyansa bia nim. No asmafia. Me aya na me mpenko fo ye de wo maketu ato abonten. Wo hwe koko board. CEO. Aketu na Paul Boakye Agyarko. Boakye Agyarko na ogia. Oba no want so waje no 1 year. Oba out so. Want so the same, precisely the same. And waje 1 year. Sir, cocoa prices na world market no jira baby jira na ene de Mahama ka so de betu am no. Sir no an na yetu an kaketwa na ka bet so. Mafia, there is politics everywhere under the sun. You want never be why a cap politics are. One shot won't tell us. If you have your way politics, waha. Eti obi our camp will belong to. And just said, "Jumani by our camp will be a when you belong to that camp, some toa will be this suspension. Camp will be a will belong to some toa. You bet me you ready. By our camp we also have some toa. You to your boss. I don't know politics. We my friend the Godfather. It is our Godfather. Our politics no. You was said you was some can is it here. So we need Godfather and so I was said you was some can is it here. It will be a politics room. Eh? Marchi e tisu mi ne afia tago tisu yi. Se wo ba na what do you say oh winim Kojo smart. Enti wo respect afia any JB wo beko. Wo nsene so. Mwa. Utuyi. We. Enye se afia ana JB akantan niam so no. The fact that we need me no, and no man to me so bet me abaye dia wo pe. Aje wo from ho no. IGP chi wo enye hu ewiase posi ni ochi wa enye hu kura ya IGP. Sa IGP chi wa obetu afra reserve commander ask your guys to release the suspect I brought. IGP see now, possibly better bet you be. IGP and I see in jail. Police di bang and the bet you be. But a sergeant Chua, Agyarko inspector ho. Now inspector ko chief inspector. Chief inspector ko the next rank. The next rank ko the next rank. Answer the ebeja award no to eska. Pressure beba we yam no. And to say we government appointee, a baby party be winning power. Na ye ma opposition mafia. As I said there we yina and say baby a wakwa kodro no. Won aye adwuma wo ho ache. Any parties are hodo, any government are hodo, aye adwuma ni na no. They are the first people you have to look for. You bring all of them together. Mumra why you want to go less no? We were here about 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, 10 years. You put all those people together. We don't bomb mun come we no hu now what power match say we no she. Oba say oba ye djuba nti one more. Who we are bisemu ye we hu party for e wo ho. Who we are bisemu ye say MPP what power, NDC na what power, fancy NDC na what power, says to Randiabe, as so be some year over NDC for Cocoa board. Kroya, when we saw that for penny for NDC and people for or much alpha. It's a new BR man CDS. Wabra NDC aba power. And your BR man CDS. Wabra MPP aba power. The chair wanna say, hey, Bibi ho, Kofi Boakye, Nanka Kofi Boakye disobedi IGP. Ya mfama Kofi, Akufo Addo mfama Kofi Boakye da. Na fa woni ndie ntia. O se na Kofi Boakye na dan for pani Alhaji Sani. Alhaji Sani so NDC ni. Alhaji Sani. Alhaji Sani ti Kofi Boakye di IGP. Alhaji Sani. The very time I me quote say asam no power Jubilee House say Alhaji Sani ti Kofi Boakye ntimi di IGP. Me won say eh nti o man ye po man ye and I said there but actually me say in politics you don't appoint people you don't trust. You appoint people you can trust. Sometimes it's not those who can perform but those you can trust. Timese Cocoa board yada mo asesa mo atem aketua ne so. Na de ye pesa mo ye ma ye ne say mo chance na mo deserve se mo beje. Eti de mo chene dada ni na no. Mo ntua ya de ma ye. Minim ni po tu sa afo no. I don't know who advised you guys mo atem aketua so. Nyansa bia nim. When I catch up say Cocoa board nyeska na mo die. We know. Ah, Debbie. Wọ́n ebe fi ẹsọ mpẹ bẹbi ayé national service ayé ahin na ọba abudi kan bọ Cocoa board Ghana gas straight MPA tọ boss ada mo ka say Ghana for yenim say Cocoa board sika na mo die yet we know memo bi anda da obi a eti say Ghana ni bi aba kwa akọpa adwuma Cocoa board GMPC Ghana gas tọ bust straight MPA, EPA, yenim. When I catch us, we don't know. It is our Cocoa board now with this car. And yes, I Ghana for no, we don't know. Yenim say, oh, Sikana Mudie. Cocoa board interested is $2. You think we don't know? We know. Eti Cocoa board for you now, penny for mathematics, so Yadama saying, Yamishamunum. Saban to wakati yomu ndan ko be back date no we tu akire ho de ama ti se mwati market ya so neso de a mun komochi mafia the truth of the matter is that Randy Yeminu adwuma no ontimi nye Cocoa board so chen no eya me din se me ka se mo dan na mpese me ka bana na din ese me ka ontimi adwuma no adwuma no Randy ontimi obetimi aye bibi foforo better be me to we Metwasa ana so akoye Captain Smart Energy Minister aha ajibi 2 milika eko energy expert no ho energy commission executive secretary bra EPA we bra na me to me boas na bosome ba akokọ bosome mienu me tisi bukum suade asametumi aye Cocoa board ya dim class for the ye ma tell Newman so I gan aro I gan dangbe whichever or the mate Cocoa board Professor Mills the time then they see here. Time near time no but single chief of staff. From catch 70 free hobra. Meboa. And I know you say and can afford what saying. Yeah. It is akaye fa obi obeye minister for fisheries and aquaculture. Esesenka ye pen krani ye pa ibeni ye pen fantini ye pen zimani ni ye de ma won ne ma me ne papa kopoda eto dim se de pono ye yo no won say rikopoku kwa agric ministry what ka sa ho o didn't cross some ye na kria din sometimes maybe awufi e be kire how you can achieve something by atena ho sa. The truth of the matter is that Mafia Randy ontini adwuma no. Me oyemi me penasem me dono. But I think that ye na be ye a president ngia reshuffle. On fanin kotu baby fufro because Cocoa for no yemfa konwa roba hye ho nkosi cocoa farm ene ne nkokasa hwe cocoa farmers am nim wo mo across the country am no makasa nyina no wo person beti ne din enti say aban we anya careful cocoa farmers no mo ye 4 million Ghana ha won eto abapa ama aban kop efi aban cocoa farmers won eto abapa ama aban foforo so ba part foforo ba power cocoa farmers they almost 4 billion obi a wo yere obi a wo ma cocoa farmers they so won pera de Abbey na wo mutirim uni kuani bonkomo no ka kire wo say e wo mitirim a ukoto na fo mo betwitwa wo sekan me na mka kire wo wo mo say e wo mutirim ade no e wo yetirim na cocoa farmer ka kire wo say e wo nitirim a wo ya ban a ye careful asamna no adwo awie dia eye yempe baby foforo emfama no nkɔhye so obekɔ so atra wo so dia Randy ye ohun kurase ni enye le na ye de lin spray eguso just learn on the job. You can learn on the job because you're a PhD holder. Nothing is bigger than you. Learn on the job. Kwatena from honey farmer ntina bode na ye hwie ahabayere guso no so tebo abom no mu bi dibi hey bafo ne de ne ho bon ba wo pakrante ayenkwan bafo no ne ho bon hanta na okɔ wuram kokum aboa ne ba ye no de ne ho bon ba wo pakrante ayenkwan yo body amontra o me de meka ne ntama kire wo wantia eduru time ade na no aye den a wo frɛ me a me mo wo frɛ me a me mo koko fa ba hwe der kopoku betra ha ye ni na no ho omo ye relaxed omo tie kopoku wie ye no koko farmers ni na ye relaxed and run was na koko hene from Sehwe enclave na frame na captain edena onkrofo ya yi afa no meto market ya so ye no mbetena pa mse mu no mbetena pa se na se na ade no na ketua no adwuma na oye no na ketua no so che adwuma oye ena na ye de ne de o tete so no yo ye ne betena pa na we now we are free. Me wo cocoa farmers platform. No platform of cocoa farmers in Ghana also. Phone is. Asa. You know better. They are the same cocoa farmers. On can say me two Akufo Addo. Me phone here so two Akufo Addo. Mo de montra on na mo fa mo se. Angry popcorn. Now what do you say wo badwe? Wo de fa wo se popcorn ye chine krum. E kurase ye angry popcorn. Ebrono de nene ne yedigu silver hwinim ne enunum na ebrono bom sa teta ye de na ye popcorn no enya mo de na mo de nchine gu hu no wo de trankan wi popcorn na ka kire be se wo wi nchire na ada wanum asichire be ma wanum be bon no be mu se wo wi popcorn na ye nchire de be bi o mo pa mu ntie mo pa mu njai time no so a me de pane ne beba me de be wo adwuma no Randy ontimi mafia ontimi cocoa board adwuma no Randy ontimi I'm telling you today ontimi enye so onim hwe wa ben ha Randy a ben or a fantastic man but let me tell you me to was say na wakoya mo senior engineer, chemical engineer. But you a tall chemical engineer, I'm the quiet. Maybe to a tall chemical engineer. Now, maybe said, yeah, Danny, crude oil, my beauty mean. May quiet. Which else I never made job taught them all to find the fire service of 4 Panama. And you may do me who yet. Man can't tell some in Kosia. Go and learn on the job. Chemical engineer, you're learning on the job. Cocoa board, art. Can I mean say? Art. And act. Art. A-R-T, art. As someone who say, you will not go there to act a movie. It's an art. If you don't know how to manage a krasini, you can never manage a cocoa farmer.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.